everyone, I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance, and today is day 6 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas box. So if you're just joining me for the first time, I'm unboxing the gifts or unwrapping the gifts from the Jenny's Countdown to Christmas box. I purchased this back in April. We had to reserve the spot and I think it was around $80. And then again in October we had to pay another $80 for the balance. So it comes out to around $160 for this box. So I am keeping a running total of the items and what they retail for. And I'm also keeping that below in the description. So if you're curious, you can take a peek at that. So far, I think we're at $50 and we've only done 4 days. So I think that's pretty good. And I'm anxious to see what today is. And we'll add to that too. So let's take a look. And I think it's like a mug or something. That's what it sounds like. Maybe one of those tall mugs. I'm not sure, but that's what it sounds like. So let's open it up and see. Oh, I was right. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, okay, I really like this. So this is one of those tumblers. It looks like an insulated tumbler. And what's cute about it is, other than the colors and everything else, is that it has some math on it. So it has quilt sizes, and it also has what you need to make a quilt top. So for example, especially with pre-cuts, so how many packs of 5-inch squares do you need to make like a baby quilt or a crib quilt, lap quilt, etc. It also has packs for 10-inch squares and packs of 2.5-inch strips. So I really like that. And what's really nice about it, even though it's not necessarily quilting related, it kind of is. It's like a cheat sheet, almost like those, you know, the magnets you get for your kitchen that say like how many tablespoons are in a cup and all that. These are measurements I'm always looking up and always trying to remember what they are, especially the quilt sizes. And specifically for like charity quilts and stuff like that. So I'm really happy with this, and it's so bright and cheery. It does have their logo at the top, but overall it's just really cute. It says, "Let's go to the sewing machine," and I love that. And yeah, this is something I'll use. I really like this, and it's not something I necessarily would have purchased myself, but it is one of those really nice items to have. And I suppose if you don't drink coffee or water or don't want to have anything in your sewing room, you could use it as like a tool caddy. You could put your rotary cutter or something like that in there. I'm going to wash this and use it. I love this. This is a really great gift. I'm really happy with this one. So far, other than the first day, I am very happy with the items I'm getting from this box, and I can't wait to see what tomorrow brings. Speaking of which, where did I put it? Let me grab it. Here is day 6, and it's bumpy, whatever it is. There's definitely some paper in there. Feels like cardboard, but there's something bumpy right in here. So I'm not sure what it is. I can't wait to find out though. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you're enjoying this series. It's a lot of fun for me. I enjoy opening these presents and seeing what I got. And I hope you also take some time to sew, especially during this hectic season. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.